Hey, this is Matthew with Another World Terraria, and we're doing a rare miniature plant unboxing. Okay, so these are just going to be some rare miniature plants. Got a few different ferns and things. So this is a Peperomia. Peperomia species Lago. It's from Ecuador. This one has a nice reddish maroon foliage and stems, and then it's got kind of a silver stripe right down the middle. Wow, check this out. Look at the underside. Look at that. Look at those veins. That's beautiful. It's a really nice Peperomia, and got a couple stems here, so I'll be able to lay these down in some sphagnum and get them rooting. Really nice. Alright, this is Microgramma vaccinifolia. This is an epiphytic creeping fern. That's really cool. This hairy thing right here is called a rhizome. The dark areas are the little roots that the rhizome uses to attach to things like trees and rocks and wood. By the way, I've got a bunch of other unboxing videos as well, so feel free and check out my playlist with some plant unboxings. There's lots of really cool, rare miniature plants in there. This is Peperomia Condor White. Look at that. Look at that silver look to it. Really nice, and the veining. And then the underside is nice as well. I like how the new leaves have the maroon color on them like that as they come out, and then they turn more silver. Another thing that's cool about this one is that some of the leaves are larger towards the end of the stem, so it's like smaller leaves and then they get bigger towards the end, which is kind of an interesting growth pattern. Yep. So this is a miniature filmy fern, which I believe is from Ecuador. If you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, where you'll get lots more unboxings. Additionally, you'll get lots of videos about terrariums and building things and DIY and all kinds of fun stuff and experiments. So filmy ferns, if you don't know, basically the foliage is only one cell thick, and that is because they have evolved in habitats that are extremely humid and extremely wet, and so they get all of the moisture from their habitat. And they're very difficult to grow if you're new to these kind of plants. Once you get used to it and have grown filmy ferns for a while, it's not that hard, but in general they're difficult to grow. They need extremely high humidity with like zero air movement, zero ventilation. They need to be completely, almost 100% humidity, or the foliage just dries out and shrivels up. So they need a lot of humidity and other various conditions. So they're a bit of a challenge, and they also tend to be very slow growing, most of them. Not a beginner's type of plant, filmy ferns, but they're extremely beautiful. There's many different forms and types, so it's something to get into once you've had some experience with rare miniature plants. I'm about to set up a bioactive grow bin for these plants now. You might be interested in a tutorial I have which teaches you how to set up your own grow bin just like the ones I use.